such a beautiful day.
It really is such a beautiful day.
I'm like a baby bird coming out of my cage. My life's an open book, I'm gonna write a new page. And I know that I'm mixing my metaphors, but you can probably get the main gist of what I'm trying to say.
Some metaphors, but we know what you say.
I don't remember ever feeling so optimistic. I'll admit it's just a little uncharacteristic, 'cause I know that I've been known to be antagonistic, but I don't even think I'm gonna go ballistic. As long as my brothers don't build some big enormous thing that makes you go no way, but disappears before my mother gets home. Like when they built a giant roller coaster. Nope. I'm not gonna go there.
Hey, Candace.
Oh, hey, Stacy.
Are you going to the game later?
Yeah, probably. Jeremy's working concessions.
Cool. It's a beautiful day for it.
It really is such a beautiful day.